Ever wondered how to create a lush indoor garden? Welcome to the indoor gardening world. This thriving realm can transform any home into a vibrant oasis, infusing your space with life and color. We'll be exploring the key elements that make indoor gardening a success, from selecting the perfect plants to mastering light, humidity, and temperature. Whether you're an experienced green thumb or a budding gardener, this guide is your stepping stone to a flourishing indoor garden. Stay tuned as we delve into the secrets of successful indoor gardening. Light is the lifeblood of any plant, and indoor gardening is no exception. For thriving greenery, it's important to mimic natural light. Consider light sources like full-spectrum bulbs, adjust duration to your plant's needs, and position strategically for optimal exposure. Optimal light conditions can make a huge difference in your indoor garden's success. Watering and humidity play a critical role in indoor gardening. Keeping your plants hydrated without overwatering is a delicate dance. Create microclimates with humidifiers, pebble trays, or grouping plants. Clever watering techniques can also help, like bottom watering or using a watering globe. Remember, achieving the right balance of watering and humidity is key to a thriving indoor garden. Temperature fluctuations can be a challenge in indoor gardening, but they're not insurmountable. It's crucial to control indoor climates. Use thermal curtains, heaters, or air conditioners as necessary, always striving for that sweet spot your plants love. With the right temperature control, your indoor garden can flourish year-round. Choosing the right plants is a fundamental step in setting up your indoor garden. For beginners, low-maintenance varieties like snake plants or pothos are great starting points. They're resilient, require minimal attention, yet still bring that fresh green touch to any space. For those with a green thumb already, why not try your hand at more exotic varieties? Orchids or bromeliads, for example, can add a vibrant splash of color and challenge your gardening skills. Remember, choosing the right plants for your indoor garden can set you up for success. So, are you ready to start your indoor gardening journey? Remember, success lies in choosing the right plants, providing optimal light, maintaining proper humidity, and regulating temperature. Indoor gardening is a rewarding adventure that brings nature closer to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!